Hello, my name is Kamil KPS Bhullar. I've secured ninth rank in the Indian Economic Service exam 2019. I've done my schooling in Chandigarh and then I've gone on to do my graduation and post graduation in Chandigarh as well at Punjab University.
बिल्कुल. At what age did you start preparing for the civil services?
I've since high school I've always wanted to. I've been fascinated by this services, but I started preparing in earnest after my post graduation at the age of around 23, 24.
What motivated you for economic services?
The first motivation was the spirit of public service. Through this exam, I can get close to policy making, maybe even give my own inputs. And secondly, it was the intellectual challenge which high level posts like this entail.
Please define your success strategy.
My success strategy consists of trying and trying again, especially in the face of failures. Apart from this exam, I had already written three mains, out of which I could not get through two. So now I gave this exam also and I got through in my first attempt. So the base I built during that time when I wasn't succeeding, it helped me now.
बिल्कुल. How many hours do you think are good for self study?
When the exams are approaching, let's say 2 or 3 or 4 months before the exam, then one can give around maybe 8 to 10 hours every day. But when the exams are not very close, then apart from newspaper reading of around 1.5 hour, we can give 4 or 5 hours for revision. And in case we are preparing notes, then that can be extended also.
होगी इतनी ठंडी हो जाएंगी. How important is the newspaper for these exams?
Newspaper reading is essential for these exams because these exams have a dynamic part. So all the news, current events which are happening related to the syllabus, they are directly asked in the exams. Like in the Indian Economic Service, also there is a whole paper on Indian economy, the paper number 4. So there, almost each question has some connection to current events. So newspaper reading is essential.
How similar or how one can align the preparation of economic services and the civil services?
The preparation of economic services and civil services can be very beautifully aligned in case one has taken an optional of economics in the civil services. Then, with a little more extra effort, one can give the economic services exam also, and one can expect good results from that.
Uh, how did the preparation of for the civil services and for economic services help you in other exams?
Uh, the preparation for the civil services definitely helps in other exams, like in RBI Grade B exam, the general exam. There is in the prelims section a whole part of general awareness, so that is connected to what we study in civil services exam. Also in the DEPR, the research officer exam, there also questions related to current events are asked, so it definitely helps in those exams.
Hmm. जिन्हें रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन वही वाला तो कितना कोई फिल्टर आउट करके बेटर रिसोर्सेज लो.
To filter the resources, one has to stick to the basic good resource which can be suggested by teachers, mentors, or anyone who knows about this exam, and then one has to master that resource. And if the need arises, then on top of that, there can be value addition as and when needed.
Uh, how important it is to have a right mentor for the exam?
It is extremely important to have a right mentor because this exam, it's the syllabus is very vast, both in the case of economic service and civil service, and one needs to basically learn from experience. People who have experience with these exams or they've been teaching about them, they can tell us what to avoid, what to do. So having a mentor is very important.
बिल्कुल. How did you prepare the notes for the economic services and for the civil services?
For note making, I basically follow flashcard technique. So like there is a rectangular card on one side, there is a question written, and on the other side the answer is written. So I look at the question, try to remember the answer, and then turn the card and see the answer. So this really helps revision. And there are softwares available also like Anki online. You can use them also for such revisions.
बिल्कुल. Um, tell us something about the prelims of the economic services. ਕੀ
ਨਹੀਂ
ਹੁੰਦਾ
ਤਾਂ
ਹੈ
ਮੇਨ
ਕਿ
ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ
ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਜੂਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੀ
ਨਹੀਂ ਰਿਟਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਸਿੱਧਾ.
ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਲੀ ਮੇਨਸ ਹੀ ਹੈ. ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕੁ ਐਪਲੀਕੈਂਟਸ ਅਪੀਅਰ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ?
ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਮਤਲਬ ਟੋਟਲ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਰ ਅਪੀਅਰੈਂਸ ਹੋਊਗੀ 4-5 ਹਜ਼ਾਰ ਤੋਂ ਹੋਊਗੀ.
ਅੱਛਾ. ਵੈਸੇ ਘੱਟ ਬੱਚੇ ਭਰਦੇ ਪੇਪਰ. ਪੋਸਟ ਗ੍ਰੈਜੂਏਸ਼ਨ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਸੇ ਘੱਟ. ਤਾਂ ਮੇਨ ਸਟੇਜ ਦੀ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ, ਮੇਨਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ, ਦੋ ਸਟੇਜ. ਤਾਂ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਮੇਨ ਸਟੇਜ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਨਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕੀ ਇੰਕਲੂਡਡ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕੰਡਕਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਕਿੰਨੇ ਘੰਟੇ ਦਾ ਪੇਪਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਉਹ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਕਰੀ.
So the Indian exam, Indian Economic Service written exam, it consists of 6 papers. 4 papers are of economics, 200 marks each. Paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and the fourth is on the Indian economy. So in all these 3 papers, different topics of economics are covered, and in the Indian economy, the topics related to the Indian economy are covered. Apart from this, there are 200 marks papers. One is of English and the other of general studies. So in general studies, basically it is a condensed form of whatever we are studying in the civil services exam. So in case you are giving the civil services exam, you have an advantage in this paper. And the English is the usual grammar, essay, that kind of stuff. And so the papers are of 3 hours, and the total marks are around 1000. And the second stage is the interview stage, which is of 200 marks.
Tell us some tricky questions that the interview panel asked from you.
I don't know if this is exactly tricky, but I'm from an agriculture background. My father is an agriculturist. So the panel asked me if agricultural income should be taxed or not. So if someone is from agriculture background, he is expected to say that it should not be taxed. But an aspirant for the civil services, he has to take a dispassionate view. So based on the Chelia committee, for example, those recommendations, I answered that it should be taxed, because same kind of income in 2 different fields, there should not be any discrimination. So one has to see to it that one is dispassionate and fair while the interview is going.
Any suggestions for someone who is just starting to think about the economic services?
You must understand that for the first few months, you will have to complete the syllabus. You have to go through all the books. In case you have notes, then also you need to consult the basic books. So once that is done, it will become relatively easier. And especially you must also keep in mind that the quantitative part of it, the mathematical part in paper 1 of general economics, that is going up with each passing year. So you must also build up a good base there.
ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਟੈਸਟ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕੀਤੇ
ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਓਲਡ ਹੀ ਆਂਕੋ ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ.
ਅੱਛਾ, ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਬਣਾਉਣੇ ਆ. ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਈਅਰ ਪੇਪਰਸ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਹੈ ਵਾਈਲ ਪ੍ਰੀਪੇਅਰਿੰਗ ਫॉर द ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਪੇਪਰ?
Solving previous year's papers is absolutely important, because many of the questions they get repeated, and also you will get to like organize your answer it in the correct time. So attempting the previous year's questions is of great importance.
ਇਹ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ 200 250 words ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ word limit ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਇਹ there are basically
numericals.
numericals. There are basically three sections. First is the short answers, which are all compulsory. Then there are two sections. In the one section you have 200 words each. Several questions are given, then you have to select some. And in the third section there it is 300 words each. So there also you have choice.
बिल्कुल. Any last any word of wisdom for the future aspirants for the civil services or anyone who's thinking into these fields?
I would only say that in case you have decided to enter into this, give it at least 2 years, because the paper is very challenging, the civil services or the economic services. I hope you succeed in the first attempt, but you may not. So you should at least set apart 2 years for these exams. And also ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਥੈਂਕ ਕਰਦੀ
ਉਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਅਗਲਾ ਗੱਲ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ KPS ਇੰਸਟੀਚਿਊਟ ਨਾਲ ਫੈਕਲਟੀ ਨਾਲ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਅਲਟੀਮੇਟਲੀ?
I've benefited greatly from the KPS Institute. I've done current affairs with them and also their prelims test series for the civil services exam. So I've greatly benefited from that and learned a lot. And I've also learned how to basically approach this exam and how to sift through the materials.
How did you find the quality of our study material and current affairs and everything?
The quality of the study material was very good, especially the current affairs and the test series also. So all the questions, they are exactly on the pattern in which they come in the actual exam in case of the civil services. So one can expect a simulation of the actual exam.
How likely are you to suggest us over others when it comes to?
I would definitely recommend KPS Institute, and in case you want to study for general studies or for current affairs or test series, I would recommend it.